Sanibonani bafowethu, ulumkile lona bafowethu. Sibonile ke bafowethu lapha iChippa United ikhipha istatement sokuthi ama stadium bafowethu lapha yana eGqeberha noma la idlala khona bafowethu nje iNelson Mandela ukuthi izobe ingekho available due to ama renovations. Ukuthi nje bengifuna ukuthi ngifunde sona nje istatement straight from iChippa United. Lana ke bafowethu sesibone khona sekuvela ke ukuthi igame yabo neOrlando Pirates sebezoyithatha bafowethu ize la eThekwini. Nasi le statement iclub statement bafowethu ereleaswe iChippa United. iChippa United ithi Chippa United FC wishes to inform its supporters that Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium and Buffalo City Stadium will be unavailable throughout the month of August as both venues undergo scheduled pitch maintenance. As a result, the club will play its August home features outside the Eastern Cape. On 16 August, Chippa United will host Orlando Pirates at the iconic Kings Park Stadium in Durban. For the first time in years, top flight football returns to one of South Africa's enduring football pastitions. We encourage supporters to secure their tickets early and be part of this special occasion as elite football returns to a venue that has played a significant role in our nation's football heritage. So ke bafowethu lapho ke istatement lesi bafowethu siya confirm ukuthi ngomhla ka16 August iChippa United izosusa igame yayo ebekumele igame ibe khona le elentozaneni bafowethu bekumele ibe khona le eEastern Cape eNelson Mandela, but isizoba khona la eKings Park Stadium. Ekuyindawo ke bafowethu engasajwayela ukuthi idlala igame yebhola, if we being honest, because la eThekwini usually indawo ekudlalwa kuyona ibhola bafowethu kuba iMoses Mabhida, not Kings Park. iKings Park ijwayele ukuthi idlale irugby. What do you think of this move bafowethu ye Chippa United ukuthi bayithathe igame bayilethe la eThekwini? Siyazi ke bafowethu ukuthi Orlando Pirates uma ifikile la eThekwini kuhlezi kuzoba packed. Kuyafana nje nokufika ko Kaizer Chiefs, nabo bafike bafethu bayigcwalisa istadium lana since nabo benama supporters amaningi ngalendlela. So siyazi ke asazi ke mhlawumbe ukuthi deal yabe kanjani, ngoba most people will expect ukuthi ngathiwa mhlawumbe ise Moses Mabhida. So asazi mhlawumbe khona ke into abangavumelananga ngayo neMoses Mabhida, because usually akujwayelekile ngempela ukuthi ama game ebhola adlalele eKings Park njengoba bese kunesikhathi eside futhi agcina ukuthi adlale khona. So when ubona ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe yini yenza ukuthi iChippa United ingayichoose iMoses Mabhida but ichoose eKings Park Stadium as istadium abazokwazi ukuthi bayodlala kusona.